Do you want to create your own YouTube video or short in just a few minutes? No camera, no expensive equipment? Stick around, I'll show you step by step how to do it. Before we start, here are some niches and ideas for your videos. Gaming, technology, tutorial, reaction. Challenges, AI music, soccer edits, life hacks. We create the text for our short using AI. I use ChatGPT. Just enter your topic and get a finished script in seconds. The text can be edited afterward. Jetsprachen, where visual elemente. Vielbilder die where MIT Gemini erstellen and Logos erstellen MIT ChatGPT. So Word den Video richtig professionell aussehen. Take a closer look at how I use CapCut to turn text into audio. Add images and logos, apply effects, and edit videos, all step by step. Now we'll create the matching music with Gemini and then add it to the video. Finally, we add the music, include matching sound effects at the right volume, and integrate everything into the video, and your video is ready. Top 5 richest cities in the world: New York City, Tokyo, San Francisco, London, Singapore. It's that easy to create your own video. Be creative and make it successful. Try it out and show us your results in the comments.